Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix error or warning. Current selection does not contain a unique column. Grid edit, checkbox edit, copy and delete feature are not available in database table in PhpMyAdmin. So we are going to fix it. Before starting our customer request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see field. So when we click on it, this is not editable or clickable, so we are going to fix it. Now you see current selection does not contain a unique column. Now you see user meta ID, meta key, meta value. So we are going to set user meta underscore ID is unique or primary. It's depend, but user ID. Now you see foreign key. Now go to structure, so click on it. Now you see field name. Now select. Now you see primary or unique. So we are going to set primary. Now select. And then you see your SQL query has been executed successfully. After that we are going to edit it. Now go to browse again, table. Now on top you don't see any warning. Now click on it. Now you see this field is editable. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.